Welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn your camera on and off in Google Meet. If you've ever joined a Google Meet and suddenly realized your camera is on when you didn't want it to be, or maybe the opposite, you are in the right place. First of all, open up a web browser on your computer and then go to the URL box at the top and type in meet.google.com and search. Make sure that you're signed in with your Google account's credential as well. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and start a new meeting or join into one. Once you're inside the meeting, go to the bottom center of the screen and you will see several different menus. To turn off your camera, make sure to tap on the video icon or the camera icon at the bottom. And once you see this camera flashed with a little line, this means that you have currently turned off your camera. If you want to turn the camera on, then all you need to do is to find the same video or the camera icon at the bottom and click on it. Now you can control your camera like a pro in Google Meet. No more awkward moments. Turning your camera off can also save bandwidth and make your calls smoother if your internet is slow. So that's how you can easily control your camera in Google Meet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.